Hello everyone. As you can see here, I'm in a different country again. The country you can guess is the United States territory, but it's still currently a different country. It's part of the U.S. Virgin Islands. That's where I'm currently at. So I wasn't able to record any videos lately. So as you can see here, I actually been drawing every single day ever since I've been down here in the islands and the Virgin Islands and stuff. So I actually been drawing, doing a lot of drawings and stuff. I can guys show you guys what I've been drawing so far. I think I have almost 30 drawings at least, but currently I don't have my phone holder with me, so the video sounds a little like janky a little bit. I'm currently holding my phone in my one hand, and like I have to turn the page with my other hand. Yeah. So let's start. As you see here, there's an Afro plain lady that I've been drawing a lot lately because I like her design and stuff. I grew to really like her design. Her design turned out it's an Afro plain lady. I actually did a community post of the Afro plain lady as people voted for her the most out of the robot characters and stuff. Yep. And here's another drawing of Joshua with a digging robot, or at least like a digging mech, like for digging stuff. I used to say there's like a battle tank or something used for battling and stuff, but it's mostly used for construction and stuff. Yeah. Here is a Dachshund or Wiener Dog drawing. I guess you can say like it's a Wiener Dog. And those weird those short legs and stuff. They're my favorite dog breed as well. They also are kind of a form of a badger dog because they're bred to hunt badgers and stuff. That's why their legs are so short. They usually dig in the ground to hunt badgers and stuff. I mean, I heard that the Dachshund's actually one of the most aggressive dog breeds out there, but I guess since the dogs are so small, they're not able to do that much damage to you anyway. So it's not much a threat as much as a pit bull is. And here's a drawing of an angel, or at least like a angel lady, I think, or at least the portrayal of an angel, at least a physical portrayal of it, I guess. I say angel lady, or at least the mythical portrayal of it. I'm not sure about real angels or stuff like that. Here's a moss lady that I also draw. I also like to draw a lot too. Yeah, moss lady. Here's a hawk griffin. Very cool design. Hawk griffin. I guess you can say trying to lose other birds as an inspiration for griffins and stuff. I guess you say this is more smaller griffin than the one that's basically an eagle. Instead of eagle, it's hawk instead. Hawk griffins. I see it as a dragonfly because dragonflies are cool. They're very fast insects and stuff. I don't know because some insects and the roosters outside. Yeah. Um, He's a dragonfly. So the dragonflies are cool and stuff. I see them all the time. I see them all the time down here and also in Florida as well. And they flying really fast towards you, and they never manage to touch you at all and stuff. I don't know how they do that, so it's kind of weird. Here's a spike dragon that I also drew as well. Spike dragons. Yep. Here's an abandoned house. A house with trees growing inside of it. I'm not really good at backgrounds, but I do try to draw backgrounds here and there to like some architecture and stuff. Architecture. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that either. The trees here in the band house. Here's the elf lady that I like to draw a lot too, with the dress and stuff. Very cool design as well. I actually draw her with a crown this time, like an elf princess character, or at least an elf queen. Kind of royalty and stuff. Here's Joshua from Scrappy Discovery, the inventor. He's also all invents robots and stuff and tech. Here's Angel the Falcon from Falcon Force. You guys can check out my DeviantArt. I guess the Falcon Force comic that I posted is like the digital comic. That website. Here's Figure the Squirrel again, because I like drawing her too. Very simple design. Usually when I have nothing else to draw, I usually just draw her instead. Because her design is like very simple and stuff. Very cool, like squirrel design. Here's a robot who smashes things with hammers and stuff. It kind of looks like Eagle Knife a little bit with the side wings and stuff. Wait, that skip page? No, I didn't. This is a flying car with the wings and stuff. Flying cars. I guess you could say flying cars are already invented now, but there's not really a safe way to travel yet. So there's not like roads or like rules to determine like flying cars yet. So I think flying cars are already invented already. I guess you can check it out on YouTube. Flying cars. At least if you search up flying cars on YouTube, you probably might actually get a result of flying cars. These flying vehicles and stuff. So I tried to draw one. Here's a werewolf character who's just chilling. Chilling dude werewolf. Here is Mindy the dragon from I think is the Flightless Dragon, I think. The Flightless Dragon comic that I did. I think I should do a comic, like a sketchbook comic read through of the Flightless Dragon. Cause I've been drawing these characters a lot. I think it's I forgot what his name was again. It's a dragon character I usually draw called it's a Flightless Dragon character I usually draw along with Speedy and Mindy. I remember these characters' names because their names are probably much simpler than. Oh, his name is Drake. Yeah, Drake the Dragon. Yeah, I think that's the Flightless Dragon character. And here is I guess say Astro from the Alien Defender comic that I did on DeviantArt as well. Yeah. Here's another alien character that I drew that I did like a flipbook video of him getting adopted by other aliens and stuff. It's kind of funny. And here is the Asian dragon. Asian dragon character. Asian dragon character. Who kind of looks like Shenron from Dragon Ball Z. Shenron. He kind of looks like Shenron too, with the antlers and everything and stuff. Shenron's just a cool dragon. This is a cool concept of dragons and stuff. Here's a crab character, a cute crab character. I gotta put my nose a little bit. It'll scratch my nose a little bit. He's a cute crab character with a claw and stuff. Here's Talon, the falcon from Falcon Force as well. Angel's husband. Here's a snail character. I usually don't draw snails at all, but this is my first time drawing snails as a character. This looks more like a slug than a snail. Here's a baby dragon character. Baby dragons is pouty. And here's a chubby dragon character. And that's pretty much it for. I am almost finished with the sketchbook. I think I have a few pages left. As you can see here, there's small top pages left. So if I do like another sketchbook like tour video of my pocket sketchbook, I might have to actually finish my sketchbook completely. You guys can check out my other sketchbook tour videos on YouTube as well. I'm currently recording this on my phone and stuff. Is this dragon snake from my other sketchbook tour video and stuff. And that's pretty much it for my part 6 of my sketchbook tour video, pocket sketchbook tour video. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like to see more of my videos and stuff. I brought my sketchbook with me to other countries and stuff so I can draw, because I usually like drawing every day and stuff. And that's it.